Blueberry time.
We love making magical products for you here at Forestfairry. Lockets, blueberry thyme lotions that look like fairies, blueberry thyme perfumes in pretty glass blue bottles with a blue box. And most of our ingredients, like these little Matchbox Fairies lotion bars, are made with 3 ingredients: olive oil, beeswax, and blueberry thyme oil. We do dust it with edible mica just to make it shiny and happy for you. But these ingredients are just, they naturally have vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin A. And beeswax is a natural antibiotic. So these are just amazing, long-lasting lotions that are basically edible. We activate our crystals and put the activated crystals in the powder with a pretty little box and a pretty little puff. We make the prettiest boxes as a little surprise for you that glows in the dark and just makes you feel like life is worth living. Makes you feel like you're alive. It gives you some energy from the fairies. And so this fairy energy is love, really. You're getting love in a box. You're not getting it from Walmart or China. And so yeah, this is Blueberry Thyme kit from forestfairry.com, and it comes with a glow-in-the-dark Matchbox Fairy, glow-in-the-dark necklace, and the prettiest boxes you ever saw in your whole life. Forestfairry.com.